Hey guys, John, Vaporontic Technologies. Hope you're doing very well today. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of perspective on the new indexing station. I've had a lot of comments and questions about this machine. This is a fully automated cabinet with all of the safety engineered and built in, but this is a fantastic machine coming for 2021, and it's just a massive machine. I mean, a lot of people have commented on the size and the complexity of the cabinet. Just look at all of the detail. Well, the cabinet's closed, but that is the electrical panel. It's massive, and a lot of time's been taken to really engineer and build this machine for big industry and full automation. But as you can see, the loading station's right behind me, and of course the HMI user interface is there as well. But if you guys have full 100% hands-off automation that's needed, high production environment, then this machine is for you. Again, it has everything built in: closed loop filtration system, fully separate pneumatic panel. Up on the top you can see the demisting filtration HEPA filtration unit on top for super clean air, which, by the way, those can be mounted to any of our other cabinets. So if you need a super clean environment, that's something that you should ask the sales team to quote for you on your job. But we have a lot of good things like this machine coming, and we're super excited to be showing this thing off already to customers. And if you guys have questions, give the sales team a call. They're always here and happy to help. Thanks for watching.